Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your phone supports live wallpapers and installing a reliable live wallpaper app. Once installed, open the app and grant storage and display over other apps permissions so it can render. Next, choose a wallpaper preview and tap Set or Apply. This writes the resource to your system. Make sure battery optimization is off for that app if you want smooth, continuous motion. You're now ready to move into customizing the effect and placement. You now configure how the wallpaper moves. Open the chosen preset and tweak speed, direction, and loop behavior so motion feels natural. Slower loops save battery. Once done, enable or disable touch response and parallax. These affect how your wallpaper reacts to swipes and tilt. Make sure to crop or scale to match your screen's aspect ratio so content doesn't clip. Finally, preview at different brightness and lock screen states to confirm the look match. You finish by applying the wallpaper to home and optionally lock screen. Allow a few seconds for the renderer to initialize. If motion doesn't start or it stutters, restart the device to clear background conflicts and reopen the wallpaper app. If you see excessive battery drain, return to settings and lower frames per second or enable battery saving mode. If permissions were denied, grant them and reapply. One tip: test with another live wallpaper to isolate app versus system issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.